whoever thought that there has been some form of injustice on him, we are all humans. There is no doubt I hurt some people, and I wish they would pardon me. And those that think that I've hurt them so much, please pardon me.
Nigeria that I hurt so much should please pardon me. We are all human. Dictator Muhammadu Buhari begs. Dictator Muhammadu Buhari has asked Nigeria that feel hurt by his action or policy should please pardon him, adding that we are all humans. The dictator on Friday described himself as a lucky man to have led Nigeria in various capacities as a governor, minister, head of state, and crowning it as president. Buhari, who was excited that he was eager to hand over power to the presidential-elect Bola Tinubu, said that he could not wait to go home after 8 years of being at the affair in the country, providing security to Nigeria. Buhari made this known while speaking at final Salah homage, which took place on Friday at the presidential villa, Abuja. He thanked the residents of the Federal Capital Territory for tolerating him in the last 7.5 years. He said, "I cannot wait to go home. I think this is a very good condition for me to say goodbye to you and to thank you for tolerating me for more than 7.5 years now. So please, whosoever feel that I have hurt or wronged him should please forgive me, because we are all human." Buhari tenure as a Nigeria president end May 29, when Tinubu will begin his own tenure. Although several people have submitted petition at the presidential tribunal who are not swearing in of Tinubu as the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I thank you very much.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.